Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this part of the video today, I'm going to be showing you the best hair ever for spring twist. Now before you start laughing about my hair, it's hair. I have a thing with the letter H, so pardon my pronunciation of the word hair. It's hair. Okay, now the hair came from the Yibo company on Amazon. You know what? Good things are really coming out of Amazon these days. Yibo, thank you so much for sending this to me. This is their spring twist hair, which fortunately I've worked with before, and trust me, this is so good. And like they sent this to me, this is, I think I picked the color 1B33 or thereabouts. I'll be opening it, like the hair just came in today now, so I'm going to be opening this and showing you. Like I say, I'm showing, yes, I'm showing you now, but you already saw the install on my head in the previous clip. Yibo company, thank you so much for sending this to me. Like, if you're new on this channel, I've used hair from that store a couple of times and it's been really good hair. So I'm just going to open this now. They sent me the 4-pack. Yes, 4 packs, and the 4-pack as it's where is like 13, no, any, I think it's $29.99 or it's about $30, $29.99. I stand correct. That's the price. Thank you so much. There it is, straight out of the pack. So, of course, it came with a distance. Should I say something about spring twist? I would like to say it's the style of the year 2018. I mean, it kind of got popular in 2017, but then it made a major comeback in 2018, especially here on YouTube and on the gram. So I want to say again, a big thanks to everyone, including me, yes, including me, who has worked tirelessly and has been generous enough to share knowledge to help better every other person's creativity here on YouTube. Thank you so much. That is the spirit. I mean, this is 2018. Sharing knowledge will not kill your shine. Just know that. So let me just stop talking and show you the hair. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There it is. Now, this is a whole lot of hair. This is a whole lot of hair. 4 bags is a lot of hair. Since I've been using this hair, I always use a pack and half for an install. So with 4 bags, trust me, if you use your hair judiciously, you have enough hair for 2 full installs. Like, see, come on now, this is the color 133. I don't have the best lighting right now, but I believe with the previous clip you must have seen what it will look like. Okay, I'm speaking into the future because I've not used this, but the future clip is gonna be before this clip. So that is it. Yibo company, thank you so much for sending this to me. Now, to you watching this video, if you wanted to check this hair out, the link to the store directly will be in my description. And guess what, when you go there, guess whose face you're gonna see? Tokyo. And who is Tokyo? The real Sincerely Tokyo. She's a very cool YouTuber. I mean, go check her out. Go check out her channel. She's just that cool person. Like, yes, Tokyo, you got it. Hi Tokyo. So, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.